What is this? Very furry. Is it fur or feathers? Something has been hit here on the road. Very, very furry. I guess it is not feathers. I guess it is fur. So what animal has fur like that? It's not a squirrel. They don't have the brown on them. Pretty furry for a raccoon or something. It's just, where's the rest of the animal? If that's the whole animal, then what do you think it is? Well, I'm not going to turn it over. I'm going to go home. Bye.